Malacanang has clarified the non-inclusion of several issues in the President's SONA yesterday. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes stressed that this was only natural given the limited amount of time the President had. But their being left out did not mean the Aquino administration is ignoring those issues. Among those that were not mentioned by the President in his report to the nation were the Freedom of Information Bill, the supposed MRT, and pork barrel scams, and the country's territorial row with China.
Alam niyo po, marami rin nagtatanong, hindi lang po necessarily yung FOI, but given the limited amount of time, meron nga pong suggestion na baka daw po dapat mag-checklist na lang si Pangulo, tapos banggitin lahat ng sektor. Pero kung gagawin po natin yon ay baka 2 araw po din po tayong nagsusona. So doon ho sa pag-vet ng information at pagbubuo ng data na pwede pong gamitin sa SONA, it is really the judgment of the President na mukhang ito po yung mga pwede nating banggitin. But again, hindi naman po ibig sabihin na hindi nabanggit ay wala po tayong ginagawa o kaya hindi po yan importante din sa atin. Binanggit po yun ng Pangulo in reference to the supposed MRT scam and yung PDAF scam. Malinaw naman po yung sinabi ng Pangulo na iniisip ng iba na wala tayong ginagawa kasi hindi natin nababanggit. Pero hindi naman po totoo yun.